Hello everyone, welcome to IFAS. Today we have Abhinav Rathor, who has recently cleared IIT JAM exam, and he is in the third year of his BSc. He is going to be completing his graduation this year. He is from Uttar Pradesh, Badayu. So we will be talking to him, and we will find out the strategies and the kind of things he used to clear the exam. First of all, we will introduce Abhinav.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I am Abhinav Rathor from Badaयूं, Uttar Pradesh.
Okay.
I am in the last semester of BSc from Government Degree College, Badaयूं.
Ji.
So, I started preparing for IIT JAM Physics from past 4 months. I thought for this exam in the second year of my college, but I could not start preparing for the exam due to my other defense exams like CDS. So, I just went through the syllabus and just noted down the important topics that was similar to my BSc syllabus. Then
Okay.
I started finding the one shot lectures cause I didn't have the enough time. So in the December month and January month, I completed the 4 to 5 units from one shot videos. The
Okay.
IFAS one shot helped me a lot throughout the journey, and also the other informations like the admit card information and the notifications of other things helped me a lot from IFAS. And the thing was that I could not complete the whole syllabus because I didn't have enough time. But one of the favorite units like mathematical physics and quantum mechanics and other same units that were my favorite, I completed first them. Then I went through the PYQs, and those PYQs were
Yes.
okay, okay. So I was there that I completed the syllabus from one shot videos, not the whole classes from the live batches. I didn't have the enough time. Am I audible, sir?
Yes. Yes. You are audible.
Okay. So after then, I went to the YouTube videos for the PYQ lectures. I am in a group of WhatsApp where I get the materials of PYQs. So I just solve the PYQs by my own or by using the YouTube videos. And then I realized that the IIT JAM level is much higher than me. So I just started improving myself for the PYQ for the level of the IIT JAM physics. Then in I and the interesting fact is I never gave any mock test for this exam because I didn't had any time for that exam
Okay.
for mock tests even. So I was very depressed that I am not giving any mock test and what I will do in the exam. So and at the exam day I was very sad that I have not practiced well. Even I had time in my second year and first year. I was very sad at the time. But when I saw the result, I got 21 marks out of 100, and it was a cutoff of 10 marks for EWS. So I scored around double marks.
Okay.
I thought that it was my hard work and plus my fortune.
Great. So you are saying that you just cleared the exam by using the one-shot videos. So your
Jesus.
basics must be right in the right position. If your basics are not in the right position, then it will be really hard to do the one shot and then to follow them and then solve the questions or follow the questions that we are doing. So you
Jesus.
must have
The
cleared your
base
basics from the very start.
the base must be clear for that because from the one shot videos, no one can clear the whole syllabus or the exam because the
Correct.
exam is the hardest one for the MSc entrances. No?
Right.
Then it should be the base.
So
Uh,
on which subject you focus the most?
Subjects or topic?
Like topics or classical mechanics or in mathematical physics, what are your favorite
Yes, sir, yes,
subjects?
sir. So one of my favorite subject is one of my favorite unit I will say
Hmm.
is mathematical physics because
Correct.
I scored maximum in my 12th in mathematics subject. So the mathematical physics helped me a lot in the whole syllabus. After that, I focused more on quantum mechanics, oscillation waves, and optics as well. First, I saw the weightage of all the units, and then I started preparing unit wise. Whatever the unit has more weightage in the exam.
Okay, so did you prepare all of them or did you skip some of them?
So I skipped one unit that is classical mechanics cause I have like loose hand in the classical mechanics.
Okay, it's okay. You do not need to prepare everything because the
Yes,
exam
sir.
has 100 marks and you just need to score, around 30, 40 marks to clear it. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes,
great.
sir.
Uh, did you have any strategy to follow the exam, or did you, there was any prepared plan before you went to give the exam, or it was just like I should watch the one shot videos and then that should be enough?
It's my own strategy because I have cleared the other defense exam and government exam. So I know that how and how much I have to study for any type of exam to clear it. So what I do is I just go out, I just went through the syllabus and just point out the marks and I note down them on the copy, whatever I have, loose hand and a hard hand in them. And after that, I try to cover the whole syllabus. If I am unable to cover the whole syllabus, then I just complete the limited. And this limited has the highest weightage in the exam. And after that, I solve the PYQs of the particular topic or particular exam. And then I try to give the mock test. In IIT JAM, I couldn't give the mock test, but it was miracle for me that I secured the good
So
marks.
in the exams, what I learned from here is that in the exams, it is not only the important part that you study hard. It is also important that before the exam you analyze it,
जी sir.
like what is the weightage, what are the number of questions that are going to come from a particular unit, है ना? And prepare from the favorite topics. That will be much easier to prepare. So, Abhinav, what will you advise anyone who is preparing for first time? What suggestions you would give?
So my suggestion will be that just think of yourself that you are going to give the hardest exam of MSc entrances in India, and then be serious for it first of all, and think very initially for it in the second or first year of BSc. Because if you are in third year or in the last semester and you are thinking for this exam to clear, it is likely to be impossible for you. And impossible will be if you are not consistent for the studies. I was like little bit consistent in the last few months, so I cleared it. And I think if I wouldn't be consistent for that, I couldn't clear this exam today. So the main advice is to be consistent, cover the syllabus, to cover the PYQs, to be very curious for the studies, not just a limited study needed for the exam.
Great.
And yes,
Yes. Okay. So, Abhinav, I think, what are you planning right now? After IIT, most of the people do not have any kind of plan, right? They just go into IITs or NITs and they do not have that kind of plan for the future. Do you have any future plan after you go into one of the premium institutes of, whether it is NIT or IIT? Abhinav? Yes. So, what are your future
so
plans?
sir, I was interested in physics by the first year of my college because I had my favorite subject is mathematics in class 12.
Okay.
Till second year, I realized that the mathematical physics is like easier for me in physics, and the mathematics in the BSc is going theoretical by the year. So I choose physics for my future plans, as the future plans, and I think for research for the upcoming years after MSc or in MSc. And why I'm choosing NIT Barangal is because I want 3 years of MSc Engineering Physics because it has good placement and the good research in the industrial parts of India. So I want that. And
Okay, so you have your options clear. That is a very good thing because most of the students who get selected for IIT, they do not have a clear option. They do not think over that after that, whenever they are getting selected in IITs or NITs, how they will get placed or whether they will pursue the research PhDs or they are going to get placement. So that's a very good thing to hear.
yes, sir.
Okay, Abhinav, thank you very much. It's been really a pleasure to interview you. and I hope you all the best for the future endeavors. And thank you very much. And I hope all the students who are seeing this interview, who are watching this interview, are getting inspired by the strategies and by the kind of work that you can do to clear the IIT JAM exam. You can watch one shots, you can review things, but first of all, you will have to have a clear base. Then after you can do all those things. Thank you very much.
Yes, base is
Correct. Base is very clear. Base has to be very clear.
base has to be very clear, first of all.
Great. So thank you very much, viewers. We'll see you in the next video.